Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a shirt on a stick figure. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen. At the beginning we have to draw a circle. Let's draw his eyes and nose. Here's his big smiley mouth. Let's draw his shirt. Here's his pants. Now I'm drawing his legs. Here's his hands. Let's draw his ears. My drawing is done. Now let's start coloring. To do the coloring, I'm using my yellow pen. And I'm using my green pen. To color his pants, I'm using my blue pen. My drawing is done. He is looking really cute. Thank you so much for watching.